Alright, let's do an initial review and a quick inspection of this ThinkBook G2. This is the ThinkBook 15 G2. Okay, let's have a look. Later on we're going to do SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade, clone bunch of data across. So in the box you get your normal charger, and it's got the Type-C charger in there, which is a 65 watts, so that's 20 volts 3.25 amps. Great. Okay, let's have a look at this beast. For office use, it's a fantastic machine. Alright, so the new fancy Windows 11 sticker. Rubber pads, giant rubber pads there, and two rubber pads here. Speaker is facing downwards. Nice exposed area, good for liquid spill. But they put black film, black protection there, so you can't see the PCB motherboard, which is good. Standard screws, which makes it easy to open and work with. Very nice design indeed, similar to Samsung's at some stage. And it's got the two Type-C, HDMI, USB, headphone, microphone jack. And here you've got the card reader, USB, network, and Kensington lock. Let's have a look. Okay, so screen, matte finish, beautiful. It's got a privacy physical switch. Great. And what have we got here? Full function Type-C. Okay, so data and charging. Thunderbolt 4 Intel model, because it's Intel technology. Otherwise it works as a full function Type-C on AMD models. Okay, so when the laptop is turned off, there is 5 volts always on the USB port. I see. Function escape, switching the primary, yep. Working mode of the computer. I see. Function space on some models with the backlight to turn the backlight on. I see. That's interesting. I will try that. Recommended optimal zoom ratio is 124%. Okay. This is so, ugly. You don't get this kind of thing on a Mac. It just works. This is so ugly. But that's PC world for you. Smart power button, and it has fingerprint built in. Okay. Launch Lenovo Buddy, literally, from start menu to enable system audio, only for the models equipped with integrated Bluetooth earbuds. Interesting. So default audio goes to Bluetooth if you got that feature. That's really dumb, but anyway. Service hotkey, right. Power button. Nothing yet. It may need power. Probably it's gonna do programming of some sort, I guess. So the design is actually good in a way that it doesn't, like the hinges won't break easily. See, the bottom doesn't get lifted up. That's wonderful. That's good. So these hinges will last for a very, very long time. Yep. And power. This is the i5 11th gen. Everything on here will be wiped. Okay, here is the screen. Right in the center. There we go. Okay, what do we got? Okay, we're gonna wipe it anyway, so we don't really care any of this. So let's go Windows 10. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I think I opted for the Windows 10 version. Let me double check the packaging. Here we go, accept. Wow, keyboard doesn't work out of the package. That's bizarre. Oh, here we go, it does. .58 volts, 45 watt hour battery, 3-cell, full HD IPS screen, Windows 10 Pro, 256 gig and 8 gig RAM. So I believe the 8 gigabyte is built in the motherboard, and so we're going to make it 16 by putting an additional 8. No nipple mouse. So ThinkPads, I believe, have that. ThinkBooks, they've removed the nipple mouse. Function space. Yeah, the backlight is on. Yep. So function space, brighter, off. 1, 2. That's it. I like it how they have these answer phone call, reject phone call buttons. Reminds me of the Mercedes cars with the Nokia phones. So that's nice and dark. So if you can see the start menu there, a little brighter, darker, brighter, and that's the maximum. Okay, let's try that quickly, the display that they mentioned. So system, display, oh yeah, 125. How are you going to make a 124? Okay. Right, oh, I see, okay. Okay. So this is 124, was that 124? Yeah, so there must be some maths behind it. So this is the 124, alright. So snappy performance, so 11th gen, i5, 11th gen, 8 gigs, 64 gigs, connect the internet to activate, okay, alright. Have a look at the camera quickly and then we'll go into the next part of, yes, not the best quality, bit blurry, so I don't think it's a HD or full HD, yeah, but it will do for Skype calls and things. Okay, that's about it. Have a look at Device Manager quickly. XE graphics. What kind of SSD have they put in? Samsung and NVMe, nice. I think that's about it. Very easy, light. Definitely a business model. It will actually be suitable for most users. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.